vocabulary for on Aimsir. I expect you to know these words in both Irish and English. Cover the English, see if you can translate the words from Irish into English. Then cover the Irish and see if you can translate the words from English into Irish. Write them out each night to practice your spellings. After playing 5 words on the video, pause the video and repeat to help with your pronunciations. Te, Fluck, Tirim, Greenver, Starmule, Tintrock, Tornock, Kyover, Gwafer, Tá sé cór sneachta, Tá sé cór báistí, Bugga báistí, Scá báistí. Shook, which actually means frost. Tá sé cór seacha, an Tarach, an Saora, an Fór, an Gira. Anair, Fiora, Marta, Abron, Bealtaine, Mehiv, Uil, Lunasa, Manfor, Derafor, Sound, Nullig. Spend extra time learning the difference between Bealtaine and Mehiv. Bealtaine is May, Mehiv is June, because Mehiv starts with an M. A lot of people think it's Irish for May. It is not.